The most interesting cases that I've had have been cases involving technology. Some 10, 15 years ago, a lot of things and a lot of devices still ran on what we refer to as analog technology. And during that period of time, if you were the manufacturer of a computer device or a printer or something like that, the way that you would be able to hook your product into another product is usually by way of a wire. And you'd have a wire running from your printer or a wire running to a server or a wire running to some other device. Over time, those technologies became digital, meaning that all the intelligence was contained on computer chips, which we see all the time. When that happened, it also allowed for certain companies, big companies, to keep competitors out of the market by designing an interface, designing a software language that nobody else would have access to. So it no longer was as simple as plugging a device into another device, which allowed people to sell competing products like computers and printers. Now it became a matter of trying to get proprietary information out of a competitor. Those types of cases are referred to as antitrust cases, where you have a company that is holding a virtual monopoly, and virtual monopoly meaning they have the power to control the prices in the market or control supply. And that company is using that power in order to reduce competition. Why is reduction of competition important? Or competition important? Because it results in better prices and better products for consumer. You've all had the experience in your life where you have had to use a particular company to supply a service or supply a product because they were the only game in town. Maybe you found that in dealing with them, they weren't very good on service. They didn't seem to care very much about service. You might have found also their prices were very high because they had no competition, because nobody was forcing them to be competitive on price. And that's what the antitrust laws are designed to prevent. That is, any company or set of companies from being able to control prices and control supply in a way that is harmful to the consumer.